In Pakistan's southwestern city of Quetta, a deadly explosion has killed at least 10 people and injured nearly 20 others. Police say the blast struck the busy Pishin Stop area, close to the Frontier Constabulary headquarters. Victims were rushed to the Civil Hospital Trauma Center, where officials confirmed the rising death toll. Security forces quickly sealed off the scene and launched a search operation to track down those responsible. No group has yet claimed responsibility for the attack. Balochistan's chief minister, Mir Sarfraz Bugti, condemned the explosion as a terrorist act. The province, rich in natural resources, has long faced insurgent violence and ongoing security challenges. The powerful blast has once again highlighted the fragile security situation in Balochistan, leaving the community in shock and mourning.